super fast and super simple. I'm going to show you how you can send audio with video on your WhatsApp. The new WhatsApp update has these options. First, we're going to go or WhatsApp, or in my case, WhatsApp Business. We're going to select a chat to which we want to send some video audio, and on the side where the box appears for you send audio, there will be a small camera. You can will leave it pressed and you will slide, and it will start recording and sending. Is quite fast and simple. Please don't forget, we also have more WhatsApp videos so you can resolve all your questions about this application, and don't forget to subscribe.